Okay, so I've filmed here a couple times. The unit's on the hill. Is this one? Pane. LG scroll compressor. Reversing valve. It's a 3-ton from 2015. Not been running. This one it sounds like crap. Gulp and straw. I'd be surprised if you hear me over this thing. It's hot. It's from 2013 and it's a 2-ton. That thing sounds terrible. Is this one? It's got a Copeland scroll. It's also a heat pump. It's a fan motor. This data, it's from 2010 and it's 2-ton as well. I actually think one of this other one started off. Yeah, it did. It's not working that well. Okay. Let's check. Is it running? No, it is not. That one just shut off right there. This is paint to job. It's a straight cool unit. It has the Bristol reciprocating compressor. The newer one actually is from 2004. Can't see what tonnage though. And of course it's not been running. You see this one just shut off? And I can still hear it over there. Here's this one. This is like one of the newest paints here. It's got a Copeland scroll. Nice and hot. 2017. 3.5 ton. 2.5 ton. This is Goodman. Older Goodman. 13 SEER. There's the data. I'll decode that later. It's got a Copeland reciprocating compressor in it. Yeah, see? The reversing valve is like right over there. Okay. This is Bryant Quantum Plus. I got this unit starting up a few months ago in cool mode. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor, heat pump. Man, I can hear that fan from over here. It's from 2001 and it's a 2.5 ton. It's not been running. Here's a Bryant Sensory. got an LG squirrel compressor. Up and running. It's from 2019 and it's a 3-ton. I tried to get it starting up this summer. This new one I tried to get starting up last year. I got it, but it took a long time for it to start up. So it did not turn out that well, so I will get it again this year. Or next year. It is a heat pump. There's the reversing valve. It's got a culprit scroll. It may have been running actually. Section line's on the warmer side. There's the data. It is from 2007, I think. That's like the 2-ton. Here's the fan motor. Alright. 2 more panes. Here's this one. It's got a culprit scroll. Heat pump. I don't know why that's there. I've gotten down to frosting once, but I didn't film it. This is nothing running. It is from 2019, and it's a 5-ton. So this is the biggest unit here. I can still hear that paint from over there. Over here. What's this last one? It's got a culprit scroll. Heat pump. Perfect. It is from 2011. It's a 2-ton. Okay. So yeah. I'll go through them one more time. Just walk through. This one may have to frost. Oh, I almost slipped. Yeah. There's a little heat pump heaven. And they're trying to get this Goodman going. I've never seen it. The compressor might be dead on it because it always runs throughout the compressor. So yeah. But the insert logo. So yeah. This one's still off. So both these are still running. Alright. So yeah. There's a little pain heat pump heaven again. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.